In today's video, I'll teach you how to refresh Facebook account. So if you want to refresh the Facebook, it is actually very simple. At first on the Facebook home screen, what you have to do is place your finger at the top and simply scroll up. After you do that, you can see over here the page will be refreshed. Likewise, if you want to refresh your profile, what you can do is simply log out of your account and log in again. For that, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down. Tap on this option log out that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option log out again. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. Now what you have to do is simply log into your account again by tapping on this option continue, or you might also have to enter the credentials if you haven't saved the login. Now after you log into your account, your profile will be refreshed. Likewise, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the Facebook app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Facebook and long press on it. Now after you do that, tap on this option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now you can see two options over here, manage space, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now the cache will be cleared. Now once the cache has been cleared, Facebook will be refreshed. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you refresh Facebook account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.